Ready.
Alright, this is the power washer we bought. You just connect it to here in the battery and then into a bucket or any kind of water source, and you have water. It's washing for our bikes or my car. So we're going to test, it's got 3 different levels. We're going to test on level 1 right now. That's jet on level 1. You have that cycle, a little bit of spray. Pretty low key for washing sensitive stuff. Level 2. At least a little bit of hair, I guess, but that's alright. Level 3. Hurts a little bit, but not too much. It's not that really hard. Can't do that for very long though. It does make them a little bit of a mark. So it is pretty powerful in level 3, and it came with 2 batteries. As long as you got a big bucket like this, the water's gone, and level 3 might be a little tough. So go level 2 with a 40-degree angle spray maybe. Or level 3 even. Seems good. Saves me from turning on the hose, because we always got to turn on our hose, and in the wintertime I won't be able to turn it on either. So just a mobile power washer, and it came with a carrying case and everything like that too, so that's pretty cool, and a bunch of accessories. So it should be good for washing the bikes from a muddy day, especially with 2 batteries, and it's even got a battery gauge down there. Still full, I guess, after all that, so pretty good. I want to test them out on the bikes now, but I gotta get them all muddy first.